What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Playing Joby's Outdoors video. Today, me and Joby are we're at Elk River. Well, all of us are at Elk River. Mom already caught the first fish. Yeah, we're here. We're gonna see who can catch the most fish, so stay tuned. Well, we're back, and Joby already got robbed. He had a bite.
Apparently she's the best fish.
Yeah.
Good or bad.
My rod's not set up yet. I'm gonna set up here in a little bit. All right,
Guys, we got one.
we got one.
It's big.
That's a big one.
It's
Don't
big.
lose him.
It's a giant. It's a giant. Holy cow. It's
Holy
a
cow.
giant.
That's a nice
Oh,
fish.
It's a giant.
Get that thing. Pull him out. Holy, get that thing. Get that thing.
Holy
Oh,
crap.
oh my God! Oh my God!
Baby!
Holy!
That is a giant. Oh my god.
Oh,
PB. That is a freaking. Guys, welcome back. That is a giant right there. Holy cow, Lane.
we're keeping that.
Holy cow.
I want to get a picture.
Oh,
That
you
is a
swallow that. Give me the pliers.
Okay.
Holy cow.
Okay, go ahead and stop it.
What's up? What's up, guys? We're back and we got another fish. It's a nice one. We can't really keep anymore because we don't have the biggest cooler. But yeah, it's a pretty nice fish. This video is gonna be awesome. Joby caught a tank. It was a bass. Like, it was huge. I caught a really nice trout. Still on.
Oh yeah.
All the hook. Keep on swallowing the hook. Sorry.
Where's the pliers at? Come on, give me the pliers.
Need the pliers, Mama. Alright. See ya. 3, 2, 1.
Nice.